In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI to perform a SWOT analysis of Tesla. This tool can help you gain insights into Tesla's business, identifying the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Simply type Google into the search bar of your browser if you haven't set it as your default homepage. This will allow us to find the Perplexity AI platform quickly and efficiently. Once you're on Google's homepage, go ahead and type Perplexity into the search field. This will bring up a host of options, but what we're looking for is the official website for Perplexity AI. As you type, you'll notice autocomplete suggestions pop up, which might direct you instantly to Perplexity AI. Keep an eye out for those, and you might save yourself a step or two. After hitting search, you'll see a list of search results. You should see Perplexity AI listed among the top results. Go ahead and click on the link to open the Perplexity AI website. This site is where we'll be setting up and running our SWOT analysis. It's generally user-friendly, but it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't used it before. Once you're on the Perplexity AI website, what you're going to do next is create a prompt. Think of a prompt as a question or statement you want the AI to explore or respond to. For our purposes today, we need a prompt that will initiate the SWOT analysis. So go ahead and type in SWOT analysis of Tesla's business model. This prompt tells the AI to generate insights specifically focused on Tesla, one of the most influential companies in the electric vehicle market. After your prompt is ready, you'll want to submit it to Perplexity AI. Locating the Submit button might differ slightly depending on any updates the platform undergoes, but it's typically easily accessible. Once you find it, simply click on Submit. This action sends your request to the AI, which will then process it and start generating the SWOT analysis. Give it a few moments, and there you have it. The Perplexity AI will provide you with a comprehensive SWOT analysis of Tesla's business model. The insights you gain can be quite valuable, offering a clear picture of Tesla's market position and future prospects. So that's how you use Perplexity AI to perform a SWOT analysis of Tesla. With tools like these, gaining deeper insights into a company's strategic positioning becomes both efficient and insightful. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to explore further with Perplexity AI to dive deeper into any other analyses you need. Happy analyzing!